Hello everyone, I'm Chiba from East African Kenya. Today I'm taking on a little adventure to Kales farm. I have heard so much about this place and I'm really excited to see it for myself. Let's go and I will show more things. Yeah, in the farm Kales, we have so many vegetables. I think guys will like that place. Yeah, even me, I'm so happy for that place. I'm on my way to a Kales farm. Yeah, you can see. Let me show you how the beautiful Kales farms look like. I'm almost to reach there. Wow, look at this place. It's absolute beautiful. So much generally fresh air. And that sound of nature, I can already feel the stress melting away. Look guys, it's a fresh air. Leaves. Look guys. Yeah, and I will keep showing more Kales in the farm. Continue looking good things. Yeah, here we have some pineapple leaves. These are some pineapple leaves. Yeah, it's look good. Yeah, guys, we have some fruits. We have leaves here, and then we have fruits here. Look, guys. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's good and sweet. Yeah, it looks small fruits. Look, guys. Look. And it's just a flower. Let me show you these leaves. It's just a flower. Look, flower looks. Yeah, this is a flower. Or this thing. Yeah, guys, let's keep supporting me in my YouTube channel. Yeah, I will appreciate you all guys for like. Here we have onions. Yeah, look. Look. Yeah, as we continue with the adventures, I will show more things. Yeah, I like showing more things than you like. Yeah, guys, in the other side, we have some tall scales farm. Yeah, look, guys, let me show you. Yeah, yeah, here, guys, look, you have scales. It's good. Guys, look, look how Kales grown tall. Look at this. Guys, look. Yeah, look, guys. This is the tall Kales. And when you see up, you have locks. So many locks, guys. Yeah, now I'm heading up there. Look guys how dogs look in the village. We have big dogs. And Guys, look how beautiful Kales look like. Look guys, well, look well. We have some sagas here. Look, the green bogas. Yeah, and here we look, this a carrot. Yeah. Look guys, look how a village like plantings. And this side we have onions. Look guys. Yeah, we have onions. Look how it's healthy. It's originally green, air fresh. Pumpkin leaves are good vegetables. Yeah, now I'm heading home. Yeah, guys, I can say that I'm heading home. Where? Yeah, guys, here I found some black moles. Yeah, you can see yourself. It's a black. It's hanging on the leaves. Yeah, it's hanging on the leaves. It look amazing. The black beautiful balls. Let me show you the different things here, guys. Here we have maize plantation. Okay, let's explore. Look at these vibrant colors. We got cakes and so many health green. I'm amazed at how they grow this vegetable. It's like a science experiment, but with nature. All right, it's time to get our hands. That I'm going to pick some fresh kales. So satisfied to pick our own food. I can't wait to try it in a delicious salad. Yeah, look guys. Well, that was a fantastic day at Kales farm. I learned so much about sustain, sustainable farming and eating fresh local produce. If you are looking for healthy, delicious vegetable, I highly recommend checking out farm like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.